You know what I was gonna say? Man walks along the railroad tracks. He's going someplace. There's no turning back. Highway patrol coming over the ridge. It's not gonna work. You're gonna do this now? Yeah, of course. Welcome to the New World Order. Families sleeping in the cars in the Southwest. No job, no hope, no peace, no rest. No rest. How is he? Is alive tonight? Yeah, I want to do this video. I like listen to like Sepultura, you know, like live from the 90s, you know. Turn off this desktop behind me. Turn it off for my eyes like that. Like, oh, that's so. Whew, now we're talking. They have commercials between every song, and I listen to Sepultura from the 90s. What is going on, you know? What is this, man? Why, if they generate money from some, I mean, I can't even listen to a song. Rage Against the Machine, there's commercials from banks that they were singing against. What is happening? Don't you understand that? Use your fucking brain for once in your life. For fuck's sake, you morons. Start fucking wake up, for fuck's sake. I hear bank commercials between Rage Against the Machine songs. Is that where we're at now? But my songs then. I have 300 videos. I should get like $1 million then between every video. So I'll be, you know, like Donald Trump. What has Donald Trump produced? I haven't seen him done shit. He wears a suit. That's a slave symbol. You hang yourself. That's Masonic symbol. Yeah, but I'm happy. Oh, this song is so good. This is my favorite song of all time. Yeah, this must be my favorite song. The Ghost of Tom Joad. This song is so good. I remember I lived in Venice Beach. Hotel, it's called. You can look it up. Hotel. It's only one building. Man, that was good times, man. I met the guy, then he went into Men's Health magazine, who was just a bodybuilder, and one was working for Hustler, and I met so many damn people over there. I didn't like that guy with the bodybuilder shit. He didn't drink, so I didn't have any connection with him. Is that better? Worse? No, that's too much. And I don't want to be like in a hospital, you know. I have to keep it. Yeah. Should I do it? Turn it off? No. This is better, I think. But this is not a good light. They took away the light bulbs. The old ones, they were 100 times better, you know. But that's the other Illuminati stuff. Even David Icke talked about that. I want to hear the song again. Can you play this again? I don't want to hear commercials. And don't, no, 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 no. No, don't do that shit to me now. Soon as I fucking listen to a song, I have to hear some commercial shit. And my wrist hurt, and my eyes hurt. But the television I can't put on, right? We already been through that. Yeah. I'm so happy. Nina, little baby Nina, she sent me oh man, whew. She sent me I asked her, because I sent her photos, when I did like private things. And she sent me a picture of her number 2. Oh my God, it was so beautiful. Oh my Jesus Christ! And now we're talking about before she sent me with like what do you call it, string thongs, But now she did it without it. Oh my God, little baby. Oh my God, my holy mother. Oh Jesus. Oh my God, hold. But I went angry. I thought somebody said my name in the background, and I don't trust Colombians. You cannot trust anybody. You understand? You have to always be there, prepared. So fucking sad. My wrist, my hands here, from here to here and here to here, from the fucking laptops and this light. Eyes, so bad. When I turn it up like this, it's gonna turn off and I'm gonna have to hear the commercial. And I'm in fucking Sweden, dark Sweden. You can't do much, You have to sit inside. What can I do? Spend $10 a beer in a restaurant and sit and talk to nobody and be harassed by the police, and I don't think so. I need to get the fuck out of here. That's the only truth. This is I like the sound of the washing machine, or yeah. Yes, I like that. Yes, now there's some sound in a way. You get fucking. I'm not kidding you, man. It's so isolated in here. I need to open the window, the balcony again. I can't breathe, for fuck's sake. Stand shit. I mean, I guess you could stand it if you're like indoctrinated and you believe in this society and you want to have a job. That's an employment, that's enslavement. Because if you will do something different from them, you will not get promotion to do it. Look at my channel. How many viewers do I have? Look at the other channels. I play guitar about 10 million times better than like 99% of the shit. But how many viewers do I have? 10. 10 people. 10 of 200 million. What do you think? Yeah, somebody struggling for a place to stay. Can I? And I'm scared to touch it because it's gonna be a commercial again. Mark. When my eyes and wrists get better, I will create a new account and just bombard you, man. you will not. Or I will get other people to do it, when I get the fuck out of this place. But I'm here in hell still, so. But I hope I leave this week. I'm gonna get. Yeah, they have to give. I've been waiting for 8-9 months for this fucking money. It's ridiculous. The fucking state is doing. I should have a. Well, I don't want to tell you, but it's ridiculous. I've been waiting. It's time now. It's fucking time. I had flights to Malaga 2 weeks ago, back and forth. I didn't go. That was just lost. That was planned. I was gonna buy property in fucking Spain. That was lost because they don't give me my fucking money. So they owe me for that ticket at least. But who gives a shit about me? Aha, notification. I'm listening to Rage Against the Machine. What was the notification that broke the Rage Against the Machine? Yeah, you see, I'm sitting and listening to Rage Against the Machine, and they have to break up the song. YouTube. I'm gonna leave this YouTube. This is when I leave Sweden. Tinfoil mark. It will be somebody else's have to do this shit, man. I will not put up with this shit, man. I will have like girls around me, and as I told you, Nina, she sent me pictures of her private parts, and I have nothing to do in this shit anymore, It will be yeah, and I can go outside. It will be warm. I will be on the beach. I will be on the beach drinking beer. You can sit and record yourself. This is Sweden's hell, okay? This is like disgusting. And they believe in this. That's what's so disgusting. It started like this. Well, I've been pissed off for all my life, right? Well, not all my life, since I was 13, 14, And then I discovered, the truth of shit. And then I see the people here. They say to us that we seek attention and we don't accept truth. We don't accept. There was a professor on a show, and I can tell you this. I was the first that told this guy in the bar over there in Södermalm that the earth is not round. I was the first 4 years ago. I told him that, and he's like, well, you cannot, he didn't understand. And now they talk about it, and he works for this fucking television show over here. And my dad, he was like, yes, the professor, she explained it so well that those people, this conspiracy theories, the professor said that it's conspiracies, and they want to believe that they seek something else, and they think that they are more interesting as persons, and they want to have more attention, and 4 of these motherfuckers said it. There were this many. Like me. or debate or Jeranism or Sargent or whoever, who studies this, nobody. They just that it's propaganda. It's governmental propaganda. You saw the curling, I already shown you this shit, right? You understand? I hope